Well, good day, tubes. How's she going? So, today we got a funeral. Again, I got my Dewey out again, set up, ready to go. And today I want to try doing that water test thing I was mentioning about, filling this this bucket with water and see if she's leaking anywhere, you know, just to see how well the welds are and stuff. Pretty sure, if I remember right, I did weld everything solid, so she should be good. But we got to get rid of the dirt first, so let's head her down. Maybe we'll dump it down by the river there and smooth her out a bit. So let's head her down there. Come on, buddy. There you go. Okay. Fire it up. Let's muck it up. Bloody black flies or deer flies are out from Ram Forest right now. Holy stupid things. So I just want to try filling this with water just to see if it leaks anywhere, you know. It's kind of a neat test. And I got a hose just inside the garage there, hooked to the water, so hopefully that's enough water there for that. Now, where are we going to dump this? Maybe actually right about there somewhere. Smush her down a bit. That's not too bad. Let's just make sure we got her all out. Dumping here. Come on, baby. There we go, that's probably good. And we'll get her up like that. So it's about level. Shut the beast off here. We'll go in and get the hose. I can't remember if I locked this door or not. I kind of think I didn't. Oh, good. Alright. So we got a hose here. Now we're going to have to figure out how we're going to get this to stay in here. Maybe something just like that. I don't know. That might work. And we'll give her some fresh air. Pull open. Should probably open up that valve a little bit more. And let her fill. It's not going to probably take too long. But we got any drips yet? I don't see anything getting wet on the ground, so that's good. But we'll let that go few minutes or so. Darn near get in there and have a bath. Don't think I will, but anyways, I got something I got to do in the back too, so I'll let that fill a minute here. Alright, I want to do a little bit of liming the next day or so, maybe today, I don't know, we'll see. But I want to give the chain a little bit of a touching up. So, she's good and tight there, holy. Let me get that off, and then pop this chain off and grab the chain sharpener Dewey. Don't think it really needs too much of a sharpen. Just needs a little bit of a touching up. So there's your adjuster Dewey there. I usually back them right off. Kind of looks like it's about time to clean the holes out for the lubricating the bar and the chain anyways, because they're getting all bunged up with this real fine powdery stuff, which is from the chain getting a little bit dull. Instead of pulling out nice big chunky chips that don't get stuck in the bar and stuff like that, then it you know, rips out more like sawdusty kind of stuff, which makes more of a mess and bungs everything up. But anyways, let's get the sharpener up here and we'll give this a sharpen. Alright, so I think we're good to go here. We're just going to touch her up a bit. Doesn't really need much. It's not like it's really that bad, this one. So it shouldn't take long either. It's only a small guy. But anyways, I'll work away on this, and when we get her back together, we'll put her back together and take her and try her. Okay, chain's done, and yes, I did forget all about my bucket, and it looks like we got a bathtub full. Holy, well, it's gonna be kind of hard to tell if it's leaking now because it's leaking everywhere, but anyways, that didn't take too long. There we go. How long has she been going for? Well, not too long, I guess. There's not a huge stream down there, but that's not too bad. Now, we look down the seams here. I don't see any leaking down there. And it would be wet over here if there was any, but looks all good there. We'll let her sit and finish dribbling for a wee while maybe. And looks like we got a huge leak there though, doesn't it? But I think we actually might be not too bad here. We might not be too bad. But anyways, we'll let her sit. Got a little bit more work I got to do on the saw Dewey in here. So let's go do that. Put her back together. Oh, pardon me. And I got to find where my air gun is. Over here somewhere. Alright, we got everything all cleaned up. Just take the air gun to her and give her a blast. And generally I just run the air line or the air gun down there, kind of like this, right down the Dewey, blows all the crap out, gets rid of all your junk in there. So we can get that started. It's not gonna be too cooperative, I don't think here. And you gotta make sure you put your chain on the right way. I'd be wondering why in the heck is it not cutting right. So I've never actually done that, but you could fairly easily, because it looks the same both ways to me anyways. But so we've got to tighten the little screw back up here now. Make sure it gets back in the bar groove. Okay, roughly. Now we'll just put the guard back on so it won't fall apart on us. And our big nut. Just sort of hand tight for now because you got to do a little bit more adjustment. Not super tight with these because I don't actually have a whole pile of power, so. Should do that. And probably should check the, oh yeah, she needs some oil. Now I do have some somewhere. Somewhere is, I'm not sure where. So we'll find, nope, there it is right there. Tricked you, see, chain oil, bar oil, chain oil. Okay, this is going to be the tricky thing to get this to sit upright. Not flop over the other way, and that might work there. Okay. And then try not to get it all over the place. Oh, it looks like sweet and sour Chinese food buffet sauce stuff. Go ahead and try it. Okay, get the caps lined back up. Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay. We are good. Now we just have to attach a motor to it. Well, we still got a little bit of streamage coming out here. So I'll just go cut some branches, I guess, let her do her thing, and then and we'll try her. See if she's dripping anywhere. Hopefully she's good and tight and stuff. Should be good. Anyways, there's a couple of trees up here. These green ones I want to cut some of the bottom ones off because they're kind of starting to hang down. I can't get under them and stuff with a mower, so I'll find somewhere there to set you up, and we'll go trimming. Well, that'll help. And I guess since I've been here, it'll be 10 years this September 1st. I think I've trimmed this thing 3 times. The branches will end up coming out, growing out, and then they start hanging down. Like these ones that are above here yet, they'll still do the same thing. Probably 5 years I'll have to do it again. So I don't know, pain in the rear end, but that's the way they work. So, but I should be able to get under there a little better without having a duck under them and stuff. Well, that's 2 of about 30 trees in here I got to do all together. So sort of sucks, but I really need like a chipper or something now. I could pull behind the tractor and then somehow attach the trailer onto that and chip it right into the Dewey, you know. That'd be perfect. Be perfect, but some kind of 3-point hitch chipper machiney or something would be nice. But I'll have to get the trailer out and start throwing them on. I might actually use probably not the big green dump trailer, probably not the smaller green dump trailer. I might actually use the don't know now. Maybe my 4x8 up at the house there, like the one I take on the road. I might use that one. Throw the bits on there to be easier to get them out. Because putting them on a dump trailer really doesn't make anything much easier, because it doesn't dump with all that in there anyways. So you still got to hand bomb them off. So might as well just grab that trailer, I guess, and clean them up with that. Throw them all in there. We'll take them back to the back there somewhere and dispose of them. But sometimes you can get away too with just like driving her back in your trailer right under that tree and just cut them right into the trailer. Then you only have to do them once, take them off. But she didn't end up going that way this time. So, but the way she works, the way she works. Man, still dribbling. Holy, I need to get like a bucket or something, throw in there and take a little bit out maybe to get her going a bit faster here, because this might take all day. I don't know. I don't know what the deal is. Alright, I bailed a bunch of water out of there, a couple of half pails I guess of water, and it's not peeing anymore, so we're going to let her sit, kind of dry up a bit, and see if there's any dripping anywhere. So far I think we're okay, but we'll have to wait and see. But anyways, I got some of these, remember these tires I was telling you about a while back? My wife wants the tires for growing her potatoes in, basically a stack of tire up, let the plant grow, fair height. Put another tire on top and fill it in with dirt, let her grow on and on and on until you're out of tires. And then apparently when you're all out of tires and the plant's all ready, you can dump the tire or tower over and have it all full of potatoes or something. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but she wants to try her, so it's getting a bit late on in the year, but I guess she'll try her and see what happens. But anyways, we need to extract the rims from these tires, and I'm going to have to wait till after the funeral's done, I guess, because we're getting pretty close to when they're supposed to be in by now. So we're going to somehow extract the tires with the backhoe somehow, if you know what I mean. Might switch buckets, put maybe this feller on, or maybe the ripper tooth on. I don't know yet. I don't know. I have to figure something out. Basically what I want to do is come up with like the ripper tooth or something on this side and the bucket on this side, or the thumb on this side, sorry, and just kind of go and see if she'll crush her down to get enough to get the rims out of the tires. So I also have about 100 psi in each one of them right now, so she's going to explode off pretty good, hopefully. And I just don't think I can I want to do her with this bucket on here. Well, actually it might pinch together pretty good. Maybe we'll try one with this, see what happens. We'll see what happens. We can crush her down maybe enough. I don't know. She might not have enough power to crush her right down enough to get the rim out without, you know, getting tire irons out. But if not, we do have another piece of machinery that is behind the garage there that will hook to this thing, to the hydraulics on this, that will definitely crush it, and I've done her before. We might have to get that thing out, but we'll see. We'll try this first, see what happens. I might try this bucket. I don't really want to wreck it though, you know, but she's definitely stronger than it was before when I wrecked her before. So, but anyways, we'll leave that until after the funeral's done, and leave this a few more minutes. We'll see. It's still wobbling out though a bit, isn't it? Takes a long time to settle down. I think we're doing pretty good. I think we're I don't think we're leaking. There's a bit I see dripping at the corner there, but I think that's just from running down. So it looks pretty good though. And so far it's been working pretty good. I didn't put a cutting edge, like a cutting thing on it, but I don't know, don't think it really needs it. But yeah. But anyways, we'll let her wait a little longer maybe, and then we'll try her out. Alright, so I figured why it was still leaking. The bucket was settling, I didn't even realize that. It kept leaking, it kept leaking, kept leaking, while the bucket kept coming down and down and down, and the stuff kept coming out and out and out. Oh my goodness. But anyways, we got her up in the air, and look at the vibration jigglies, eh? That is so freaking cool. You can feel the tractor vibrating, and it's going right through into the water. Vibrating water. Oh, that's weird. But anyways, well, looks like they're pouring cement again today. Holy man, that's a lot of cement the last little while. But anyways, I've been letting her sit up here for a bit. I don't see any drips coming anywhere. Usually it would be right in the bottom corners. Nothing. So I would say she's good for holding water if you needed a bucket of water. But anyways, I'm going to take her and back her up and dump her. We're going to do a big water dump thing here, so 1 second, let's get her in position here. Okay, so we got a tire set up here. I don't know what this is going to do. I hope it doesn't wreck my bucket. I kind of doubt it will, but let's try her out anyways. Here we go. Well, that is, I'm going to tell you, a pretty tough tire. I got her pinched in there as tight as she'll go, and just absolutely nothing exploding off the rim. So, we're going to have to get something a little more horsepower, I guess. Something with a little more push power, I guess you'd say. And we'll have no problem getting them off. But anyways, let's go get that out. Ooh, something's going to let go here. Something's letting go. What though? I don't know. I can hear it creaking and stuff. You see it sort of moving. I remember there's 100 psi in that tire. Can't believe I didn't pierce it or open it or nothing. Just doesn't have the power to crush that rim as well as I thought. I guess those rims are pretty tough, I guess, really. I don't know. Maybe just open her up, let her down. Holy snap, and there was some pressure on that, boys. Oh, man, that was insane. Alright, so we got her down here. We got the lines hooked onto the tractor. We're going to put this fella in here first, I guess. And there is pressure. Oh man, there's pressure. What about there? Hopefully it doesn't really cut through the tire. It probably will, but let's see what happens. So I'm going to put some ear dewies in just in case. If you guys want to put ear dewies in too, you maybe should. So anyways, this will be hanging around here. It shouldn't be here. And we're good to go. Well, I guess that wasn't too bad of an assault. I didn't think they'd all stay in there anyhow. But worth a shot. What the heck, eh? So, yeah, we kind of blew the sidewalls out a little bit here and there. But they'll still probably grow potatoes just fine, I'm sure. What the frick was all this crap in here? Tire information stuff. Interesting. And this one took a pretty good beating too by the looks of things. Oh yeah. But we got some scrap metal out of her anyways. Poor thing. I wish I had a tire machine. I could have just peeled those off, but oh well. She works. One time use only, but oh well, she worked. Well, I guess that's her for today. I got nothing else planned. I actually never did get the funeral in. They had an issue with the medical examiner releasing the body. The guy had to go for autopsy. He died at home apparently, and by himself or whatever. Nobody lived with him or anything, and you know, they got to rule out suspicious stuff or whatever and stuff, you know. So, but yeah, they didn't release him in time for the funeral today, so that's not good. So maybe by tomorrow or something we'll get the guy in and get him done. Yeah, he died at home, and nobody knows what happened, so they have to do extra looking and stuff, see what happened, I guess. So, but yeah, that's it for today. Not going to be much else going on now. Might do a little bit of shed work later tonight when it cools off a little bit more. And that's probably going to be about it. So I'm going to maybe do the side walls. Now the other side walls, the ones that start high and go low, it's going to be tricky and fun. Lots of angles and stuff. Shouldn't be too bad though. Should be able to get that knocked off pretty quick, I think. So, but anyways, you guys have a good night and stuff. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk at you tomorrow.